Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atunuke. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely Marley twist. You can see what I'm doing now. Section 1 hair into 2. I use 3 strands of hair, so I section 1 hair into 2. So I use 1.5 for one side, 1.5 for the other side. So totally I use 3 strands. So just keep on watching. You're going to see what I was trying to explain. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it so much. And guys, please, if you want to make any protective hairstyle, maybe box braid, just make sure you moisturize your hair. Your hair is neatly washed. My hair, I've already washed my hair, moisturize it off camera. I section it off camera, so you can see I kept my hair into twists. So I braid with the twist. I didn't unravel the twist, I braid with the twist. So I seal towards the tip with my eco styling gel, just twisting down. This hairstyle really came out so beautiful and is very lightweight. You can see that I took the 3 strand of Marley hair. I didn't fold it. You can see from the beginning I showed you the way I did it. So just keep on watching. You're going to see what I was trying to explain again. This hair is very long, very long length, as in over my boots. Yes, over my boots. But I really love long hair, and this hair does not really take time. It took me almost 3 hours to finish this protective hairstyle. Yeah, 3 hours. Very lightweight, just twisting it down to the tip, nothing much. Thank you so much if you are still watching. I was really feeling the vibe of this hair. You can see, just showing you can see what I was trying to say. I didn't fold it, as in I joined the lengths together. I showed it from the beginning, so I'm very sure you're going to understand. Oh my god, I love the outcome of this hairstyle. I really love the outcome. I really love it so much. It's like a rascal kind of twist. It's not a neat twist. And again, let me make sure to, if you want to achieve this kind of twist, make sure you twist it tight from the beginning, so when it unravel, it won't lose. If you don't twist it tight, when it twist, no matter how you twist it, it's still going to unravel. So if you unravel, the hair is going to get loose if the twist is not tight. Do you grab that? Try my best to explain. When I'm done, I added some olive oil mousse, then olive oil sheen to add some shine. Off camera, I added some hair accessories. Now let's see the final look. Oh my god, wow, this is a jumbo Marley twist and it came out so mwah, mwah. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, to subscribe is free. Please support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for still subscribing, and thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really love each and every one of you so much. So do not forget to turn on notification bell, subscribe, so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Stay blessed. See you in my next video. Ciao. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.